Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity and prepare information for the shop floor. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated Production Work Queue provides automated processing of daily production orders without human intervention to generate DXF flat files with extended data to facilitate nesting software and drive automated bent program generation. Automated CAD Part Analysis eliminates the manual analysis of sheet metal CAD parts and provides a foundation for manufacturability testing, automated routing, and sales quote generation, including the automated generation of CAM bending programs. Automated Sheet Metal Batch Unfolding automates generation and preparation of DXF flat files for nesting software, including the embedding of extended data to drive automated CAM bend program generation. Manufacturability testing provides design for manufacturing capabilities to help reduce and eliminate shop floor rework by identifying design flaws and potential fabrication errors before parts leave engineering. Automated CAM program generation eliminates manual programming of press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders with the automated generation of DXF flat files embedded with the necessary extended data to drive automated bend program generation. Automated routing generation generates optimal routings based on CAD part parameters and matching machine tool capabilities, including the incorporation of tribal knowledge of how simple to complex parts are best fabricated. Automated product configuration provides a simplified plug-and-play approach to the configuration of simple to complex parts and assemblies, including the automated resizing of 3D SolidWorks CAD models. Automated sales quote generation delivers accurate and timely CAD-driven sales quotes with parameter-based cost calculations for materials, labor and processes while reducing errors and increasing quoting capacity. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.